That was a long and boring meeting.
I know, that meeting was so long.
Anyways, let's go to room 205 to talk about ET.
Now you can see the girls walking to 205 talk about Uzi. They're grabbing their jackets because it's going to be a cold room.
I've looked at all the data and it's obvious he was murdered.
What? It's obviously he was killed by freezing to death.
Now you both sound crazy. He was sacrificed, obviously.
As you can see, the scientists have come to a disagreement. Well, Miss Flores, let's hear from you. What evidence do you have that he was sacrificed?
He was left with an axe that nobody stole. He was found with an arrow in his shoulder. In a text I read it said somebody buried him and later he got covered in ice. He was also sacrificed for his religious beliefs, a belief he believes in. When mountain climbing, he can't wear shoes.
Did you read any text? If so, when did it come out?
It was posted in 2002.
Great. Now let's hear from Miss Torres.
I have read a lot of texts, and I know for a fact that E.T. died from a disease called hypothermia, which basically means he died from the cold. I thought about it, and it's the most reasonable reason for him to have died. I've asked other scientists, and they agree with me. You can ask Frank Ruhill if he also thinks he died from the cold. He lost half a cup of blood, which is why he wrote a hat that cushioned his head, but it obviously didn't work.
Did you read any text? If so, when did it come out?
I read texts. They were posted in 1999.
Great. Now let's hear from Miss Mercado.
I've looked at all the latest data and he was murdered. When another scientist brought him into the lab, he had an arrow stuck in his back and his shoulder area. That caused his death. He died within a matter of minutes after he was shot. Other scientists brought him in the lab and did an x-ray and they found a wound on his head, which also caused his death.
Great. Now when did the text come out? Read or pictures that you took came out?
2021.
Wow, that's a lot of information. Everybody had lots of good information.